In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gcash to your Apple Wallet. This addition can really streamline your mobile payments experience, making it faster and more efficient to manage your transactions. So let's get started on setting it all up. First, you're going to want to begin with your phone's settings. So locate and tap on the settings icon on your iPhone's home screen. This is where you control most of the smartphone's features, so it's the perfect starting point for adjusting anything related to your Apple account. After opening your settings, your next move is to tap on your Apple profile, which is easily distinguishable right at the top of the settings menu. It has your name and Apple ID, and this is where all your Apple associated details are stored. Go ahead and tap on this profile. Once you're in the Apple profile section, you'll need to choose the payment and shipping option. This is the place where you'll manage all your payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, or anything else linked to your account. Tap on payment and shipping, and you're getting closer to integrating Gcash, Cherry into your Apple Wallet. Now you're going to select Gcash Gcash from the list of payment options. If you're new to this, don't worry, it's a simple process. Once you tap on Gcash, you're going to be prompted to log in. This process ensures that the correct account is being linked and that all future transactions are both secure and convenient. At this point, you'll be redirected to the Gcash login page. This might take a few seconds, so just be patient. Once you arrive there, you'll need to enter your Gcash credentials, which include your phone number and the password you use for Gcash. Don't forget, it's crucial that this information remains private and secure whenever you enter it. After inputting your credentials, Gcash will send an authorization code to your mobile number. This is a security measure to confirm it's really you trying to log in. Simply enter the authorization code received via SMS on your phone into the appropriate field. Doing this validates your identity and authorizes the linking of your Gcash account to your Apple Wallet. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations are in order. You've successfully integrated Gcash into your Apple Wallet. This means you're now ready to make payments with ease. The convenience of quicker payments is now at your fingertips, and it's all neatly packed within your Apple Wallet. Don't forget to explore any additional features that Gcash offers within the Apple Wallet app. They're designed to enhance your mobile payment experience, providing both efficiency and security. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough, and enjoy the seamless convenience brought by having Gcash on your Apple Wallet.